Let's get you updated on your headlines. And Preston, it looks like we got some absentee voting going on.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to cast an absentee ballot, it's time. They are available. Absentee ballots are available for the August 14th partisan primary election. In-person absentee ballots are available in the clerk's office between 7:30 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. Monday through Friday and up until 5 p.m. on the Friday before the election. And just remember, you do need a photo ID to vote, so bring that along.
Fantastic. Attention, everybody interested in working on balance, wanting to learn about to not fall, and everything else in between. I've got this for you. Secrets for better balance. Yeah, discover the keys to effective exercise activities. Safe Communities, a new partner of ours, is holding an event. That's right. Save the date, Wednesday, August 29th, for a fall prevention kickoff event. Join us for this event at the Dane of members of the Dane County Falls Prevention Task Force. Will unveil balance exercise tools to help instructors improve curriculum and to help people find activities that are good for balance. And guess what? You can enjoy class demos, snacks, and door prizes.
Booyah.
Sign up today. Info at safercommunity.net.
Fantastic. I have another event for you to mark down on your calendars coming up this September. September 1st.
What? September?
1st, 2nd, and 3rd. You all know it. You all love it. It's the Fitchburg Senior Center Friends Ice Cream Social. Again, that's going to be September 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. The directors and Senior Center volunteers will be serving free ice cream at Apple Garden's Old Fashioned Ice Cream Social on Labor Day weekend. Your donations will go to support Fitchburg Senior Center Meals for Seniors in Need. And then also, they say here, on Sunday, September 9th, the Senior Center Friends will be serving at the Apple Garden Snack Stand for Grandparents' Day. So bring out the family, have a good old time, and support Senior Center. It's a good deal.
Here's another great event coming up, Prairie Kitchen Cooking Club. Thanks to the UW Department of Family Medicine and Community Health, Fitchburg Hy-Vee, Badger Prairie Needs Network, and the Verona Senior Center, you are invited to cook healthy, delicious meals. This is a 6-week cooking class that will feature delicious meals that include salads and desserts. The series, it's $35 per person. All you need is your apron and containers for your leftovers.
Hey, I like it.
That is really good. So, yeah, you're doing salads. You're doing Instant Pot butternut squash.
Oh.
Risotto. If you ever watch any of the cooking, let's leave that out there.
Okay.
There's this really good cooking show that I like to watch where they say, risotto, where's my risotto? All right, apple butter, pork tenderloin, Asian salmon burgers, and Chipotle turkey chili. I love chili.
It's going to be good stuff.
All classes are held once a month from August through January, and this is 10 to 11:30 a.m. at the Prairie Kitchen. And you know where that is? It's on Verona Avenue, East Verona Avenue at the Badger Prairie Needs Network.
Sounds good.
Get yourself signed up.
Sign up.
Today.
Sign it up. All right. Here, this is from the Senior Center again here. Do you have someone that can accompany you to medical appointments? Are you able to follow and understand the information presented by medical staff? Are you comfortable questioning what your provider suggests in terms of treatment? If you answer no to the above questions, then the Client Advocate program might be for you. So what is it, and what can a client advocate do? The client advocate educate, mentor, empower, and advocate for older adults that typically have no supports or limited supports in place. Advocates would do this by meeting with the older adult individually in their homes and then attending medical appointments with them to address needs. Advocates will make sure information presented by medical staff is understood and that the client has a voice in any decision making. So who's eligible for this? Adults age 60 and older with complex medical and case management needs and income of 240% below poverty level. Clients must live in their own home or apartment. So what you should do is, if you're interested in this and finding out more, you should call the Fitchburg Senior Center today at 270-4290. They can go through it in depth with you and get you connected with an advocate. So there you go.
Very good program. Very excited that the Senior Center has this. Just a great resource.
Absolutely.
All right, we end our headlines today with telling you about back-to-school information. That's right. The start of the school year will be here before you know it. And guess what that means?
What does that mean?
Time for vaccinations.
Woo-hoo.
Time to get immunized. And guess what?
What?
To keep your children in schools healthy, state law requires certain immunizations for children who are in schools and daycares. Yeah, that's right. Your first step, make an appointment and find out what you have to get done. Usually immunizations can be given at any healthcare visit, including sports, physicals, checkups, or some sick visits. Public Health Madison and Dane County offer free immunizations by appointment to children who do not have health insurance or who are on medical assistance or Badger Care. You just call this number, 266-4821, 266-4821, to make an appointment. Or for questions, do not wait to schedule an appointment. That's what they say. The time is now because, it can be hard. Sometimes we want to get a doctor's appointment. It takes us forever. So better to get that scheduled now while you're thinking about it. And, of course, this is great for keeping everybody healthy in the school year as, kiddos are going to get sick. But if we can prevent it just a little bit, why not take that step? For more information about this and everything else in the health world, public health, mdc.com.
Check it out.
You can do it.
All right.
That would be great. Whew. That's a lot of headlines. We just raced through those headlines. Yeah. Coming up next, we're opening up the Fitchburg Digest, finishing up our series on
recycling.
You wouldn't even say it this time. Come on.
Nope.
I'm going to have a little chit chat with Preston. You take a break. We'll be right back. Preston.